This video is going to be to show you how to search the catalog through the computer system. You have two options when you come to a computer where the screen is turned off. This actual computer is turned off, but sometimes you can just wiggle the mouse and the computer screen will turn back on. This one I can tell that it's off because the actual light is off here. So when you're ready, you can turn the computer on. On each computer, you'll find a username and password. You can use this to log in if you don't know your username and password. The benefit to logging into with your own is that you'll be able to access more library resources than just the catalog. But if you are just strictly searching the library catalog and you're not planning on checking out a book on Overdrive, then you can use the generic login. I am going to log in with my credentials. Here we are. So you can see right here is the library tree. If I double click there, it will take me to the library catalog. This is also where you'll find the bluebonnet reflections and all of that stuff too. I'm going to click X. I'm not going to do that right now, and go back to that tab. Okay, here where it has the black icon, this is the library catalog. Takes you to our it's called Destiny. Now I'm going to turn actually this around so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. So here is the library catalog. Up in where it has the little magnifying glass, that's where you would type your search term. So say I was looking up a book on the Titanic. I would type in Titanic and then hit enter on the keyboard, and it would search for the books that we have on that topic. Now, just a minute. Okay, here they are. I'm going to scroll down so you can see all the options. This right here is showing you that you can search for all the books. These are ebooks that are available through Overdrive or other resources like that. And then if you scroll to the bottom, you can just look for them all. I'm going to click on books because these are the ones that are actually in our library right now. When I click See All, it will take me to the books. In the upper left-hand corner, that means that the book is in. If it's red, it means we don't have the book. The next thing you need to look for is the call number. So once you find a book that you like, you would write down this entire call number. Here is that number written down right here. Now I'm going to take you on a little ride through the libraries to the nonfiction section so that you can find the book. I'm walking past the fiction. Here we are in nonfiction. Now I'm looking for 900. So I'm going to go down the rows a little bit further until, 940, that's too far. So coming back here. And then on the spine of each of the books, you're going to find the numbers. And they go in order. If you look right here, here is our book. Nightmare on the Titanic. If you can't locate the book after writing the call numbers down and trying to find it on the shelf, that's when you would come to Ms. Heisman or me to find the book, to help you find the book. I'm going to scroll down a little bit further to the options again to show you that there are other, if it doesn't have numbers, where the book would be located. So these are all books still on the Titanic, except if you scroll down, this one says F. This means that it is a fiction book. Probably has information about the Titanic in it, but the story itself is made up. So it's what we would call historical fiction. So you would write that down, F-M-O-N, and then you would go to the fiction part of the library. The F means that it is fiction, it is a chapter book, and then M-O-N is the author's last name, so you would go to the M section of the fiction section. Here's M-U-M, a little bit further, and then you would look at the shelf to find M-O-N. And here is your book right here. Again, if you've written down the call number and you still can't find the book, that's when you would come to one of us for help.